Instagram may temporarily restrict your commenting if you have been very active or violated the policies. So if you have been commenting a lot using the same phrases repeatedly, wait for 24 to 48 hours and avoid overusing the emojis, hashtags, or links in your comments. You can also try reviewing your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection can delay comments, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and restart your router or toggle the airplane mode on or off. After that, refresh the Instagram application. Ensure that the app is updated and refresh by swiping down on your feed or timeline, and restart Instagram to apply the updates. An outdated app may lead to issues, so check your Play Store or App Store. Go to Instagram. Once you find it, if you see an update button, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version and try commenting again. Besides this, you can also try clearing the cache. For that, tap and hold the Instagram application. Tap on the eye icon in the top. Then scroll down and go to its storage and then click on Clear Cache. And you have to verify account restrictions. So there may be limitations on your account. So check your account status through settings, and if there are restrictions, follow the on-screen instructions to address them. Instagram filters out comments with the restricted or flagged terms. Rewrite your comment to remove any potentially offensive or restricted words. Disable comment filtering in settings. Go to the section of how others can interact with you, and then scroll down and go to Hidden Words. Click on it, and then go to Hidden Words and set your settings. You can also test on another account or device. To identify if the issue is with your account or device, log into another account on your device to see if commenting works, and try accessing your account from another device as well. You can also try reinstalling the application, which can help fix the deeper glitches. Tap and hold the application, click on Uninstall, and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. And if the problem still continues, consider these alternatives. You can comment using the Instagram website or the browser, and ask someone to post the comment for you and tag you. So by addressing these potential causes methodically, you should be able to resolve the issue of Instagram comments not showing up. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.